Hello, YouTube. Since you've been wanting me to do some coaster, so I thought maybe I would try to challenge see how it would start for this year, the cold. So the last time, I think it was probably like August or September where it was wet. So till pulled till the fuel valve, and then I pulled the choke out. We wait for a few minutes to get the fuel fully. Well, actually, let me set you down on the tripod so you can see me better. Okay. Okay, see, hopefully. Actually, let me move to this side so you can see me better. Okay. Let's see how she will start. Come on, baby. Yeah, keys are. Chokes are. Got gas.